Learning a lot with blueprint reading.
I love making things better.
I have the skills to be successful.
I just like hands-on work.
We started the program in 2018 with one welding apprenticeship, and this year we've expanded it. We now have 5 welding apprenticeships and 2 engineering assistant apprenticeships.
I've always preferred working with my hands, so hearing about a way that I can almost have a guaranteed way to be able to do that right out of high school and get an education at the same time, I just thought that'd be a perfect fit.
So the unique advantage of the apprenticeship program is the students are able to have that one-on-one instruction with the mentors.
For me, it's really nice because if I have any questions or if I'm working with a new part, my mentor Eric, he's right there. I can just go over to ask him and he's more than happy to help me out.
I get excited like every day because I'm creating something and it actually makes a huge impact.
They're also able to earn while they learn. So as they're going to school, coming here to work part-time, they're earning good money.
Basically, I have a full-time job and a career path, and I'm enjoying it. I get to just try and fix problems, make them better.
It helps you in multiple ways, no matter what path you're taking. So if you want to go straight into the workforce, there's things for you there. Or let's say you want to get a higher education. You can go to DMAC and have a reduced college credit cost for you there. And it just makes it extremely convenient no matter which way you want to go.